I'm thrilled to share my experience with the Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule 100 Serum, a game-changing product that has taken my skincare routine to the next level. This serum is a powerhouse of hydration, skin repair, and radiance, thanks to its unique blend of PDRN, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. It has PDRN, polydeoxyribonucleotide, supports cell regeneration, enhances elasticity, and improves skin texture. While hyaluronic acid attracts and retains moisture, leaving skin plump, smooth, and supple. Collagen strengthens the skin barrier, improves firmness, and helps maintain a youthful appearance. The serum has a thin, watery texture that feels like a light face oil. It's quickly absorbed into the skin, leaving a subtle glow. However, I do find the texture a bit inconvenient to apply, as it can flow off the skin like water. Nevertheless, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. I've been using this serum consistently, both morning and night, and I'm blown away by the results. My skin looks and feels more hydrated, plump, and radiant. The PDRN ingredient has helped repair my skin barrier, leaving it stronger and more resilient. I've also noticed an improvement in skin elasticity and firmness, thanks to the collagen. Some users may notice a fishy smell due to the PDRN ingredient, which is derived from salmon DNA. However, I found that this smell dissipates quickly, and is a small price to pay for the incredible benefits this serum provides. The Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule 100 Serum is a must-have for anyone looking to repair and hydrate their skin. With its unique blend of ingredients and impressive results, it's perfect for achieving glowing, healthy-looking skin. I highly recommend it to anyone with damaged skin, dryness, or dullness. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.